100 years ago, if you are rich, you can own a car. Otherwise, you can get around by motorcycle or walking or hitchhiking, which was very popular back then. And that created the need for this car right here, which first manufactured and marketed in 1938. And a side fact, in the same year, Samsung was founded as a grocery store trading noodles. The leader of Nazi Germany, Adolf Hitler, wanted a simple and cheap car, so common people can afford it. And that's the name of this car, Volkswagen, people's car. The amount of history, ups and downs will blow your mind, especially when you know that no one wanted this company even for free. Keep that in mind, from a company rejected by everyone to, well, I will tell you where they stand nowadays. The Beetle was designed by Ferdinand Porsche, the founder of Porsche cars. When American cars looked like a boat, Volkswagen decided to go to the opposite direction and designed a compact car. The Beetle has a rear engine design, and the gas tank is located in the front. This car I have here is a 1971 Super Beetle. And what's the difference between Beetle and Super Beetle? Well, Super Beetle is 2 inches longer, has improved suspension, and increased storage space. In the same year of 1971, the email was invented. Another fact, first Starbucks opens at the Pike Place Market in Seattle, Washington. The standard engine for this year is 1500 cc, but it was enlarged to 1600 cc for North America, which can produce 57 horsepower. The air-cooled engine with built-in oil cooler was effective to survive the extreme cold and the desert heat. After producing 210 Beetles, the civilian production was halted due to the start of World War II in 1939. After the Allies won the war, the Americans handed over the Volkswagen factory to the British to be dismantled and shipped to Britain. However, no British car manufacturer was interested, and this was an official report. The vehicle does not meet the fundamental technical requirement of a motor car. It's quite unattractive to the average buyer. That reminds me when Yahoo refused to buy Google for $1 million in 1998. While now, Google is the world's biggest search engine and technology company, just like Volkswagen today is the largest automaker in the world. But after that, the British Army took over the factory and produced cars for their military until 1947, when production transitioned to purely civilian Beetles. Another fun fact, that was the same year when US Air Force tested the first airplane to break the speed of sound. This car is fun to drive. It's not a Cadillac. It's stiff, it's loud, but it's still enjoyable. You will have fun driving it. These corner windows or vents, they were popular back in the days. Many cars had them. Here is the interior. As you see, this one has like a rubber or plastic dashboard, but the older models has a painted steel dashboard. The driver seat and the passenger seat are really close to each other, maybe just a couple of inches separate them. It's designed to fit 4 people, but as you see, the rear bench seat don't have much leg room. And there is a small storage space in the back, but you don't expect to fit a luggage in there. Manual windows, manual transmission. As you know, this wasn't a fancy car. And remember that Hitler wanted a cheap car that everyone can afford. So nothing fancy here, it's all basic. People's car. 21 million of these were sold before Volkswagen shut down the production of the Beetle in 2003. A side fact, while the Beetle production shuts down, Cristiano Ronaldo had his first match for Manchester United and started his legacy in the same year. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free, and see you in the next video.